Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain you how to add products to your designer tool. Kindly listen to it very carefully. Before going on and describing what files to edit and how to add products, I will familiarize with you the data structure and the folder structure in which the images of these products are placed and what kind of images are we using in this tool. You have to navigate to the folder assets and customizer underscore images. Clipart product share user underscore upload. Since we are speaking about products here, I'll go to the folder that says product. And here you can see that we will be dealing with 4 different kind of images: large, original, raw image, and thumb. One very important thing that I'm going to mention here is that large, original, and thumb images should be with the same name. The name of the images should be same. These are our images in the large folder, the original folder, the raw image folder, original, and thumb, and the thumb folder. Now I'll show you which image is represented where on the designer tool. These are our raw image or thumbnails. This, the main product, is the large image, and these again are our thumbnails. Now let us move ahead. You have to navigate to the directory assets, JSON, and look for the file called products.json. This particular file can again be opened using Notepad++ or WordPad. This is how a products.json file looks like. The opening tags. This defines all categories. The category ID. Title of this particular category is men. Is default is 7. Is default is 7. Subcategories. Subcategory ID. The title is t-shirts. Is default is 9. Is default is basically the default image or the product that is shown when this particular category or subcategory is accessed. Title, men, t-shirt. This is the thumbnail. The thumbnail will be added to the folder raw image / thumb, and this is the name of that particular file. The folders I have already shown you. The raw price means the price of this particular product when selected. Now we will be defining the colors of this particular product. ID 48, color code, this is the hex code that we'll be using for this particular product. Title, again the hex code, is default would be same as ID. These are the views. Our designer tool lets you customize the product from the front as well as the back. So here we will be defining the 2 views and how they behave on the designer tool. Title of the view is front. The view name is front. The image width, its image height is mentioned here. Image is added to the folder as explained before. Container is true. X, Y coordinates, width, height, print width, and print height can be defined using Photoshop, or they can be calculated using our independent tool which is known as the Draw Area Customizer. Similarly, we are going to define the back here, title back, view name is going to be back, image width, image height, image added to the thumb folder, container true, and the coordinates. Now we will be defining the sizes of this particular product. Size, open tags, size, the subcategory, ID, default, medium, and the price for that particular size. Similarly, we'll be defining medium, large, extra large, X, and small. We will be closing the tags here, adding a comma, and then beginning the new product. Similarly, we will be finishing all the tags here. Now I'll take you to the designer tool and show you how the changes are reflected there once the information is added to the products.json file and saved. This is where the changes will be reflected. Men's was the first category that we had defined. The subcategory was called t-shirt. Once men's and t-shirt is selected, this was the default product that was selected or defined in the .json file. Next, we had defined the views. These are the views, the thumbnail images for the particular views. Then we had defined color for this particular products. This is where the color was defined using particular hex codes. Then we had defined different sizes for the product and prices linked to the particular products. If you select XL, the price changes. So all that you've got to do is add products to the products.json file. It is relatively simple. It will take you a couple of seconds to get hold of it for the first time, and after that it would be pretty easy.